Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to be installing this hair from Yolissa hair. They sent me a wig cap, a scarf, a toothbrush, some bands, some lashes, and also another elastic band. And the unit that I'm going to be installing today is a 24-inch honey blonde body wave unit, and it is 200% density. I did not have to bleach the knots or anything like that because of course the wig is already blonde. And I just did minimal plucking. I don't remember plucking a lot. This video is like super old, y'all. So I don't remember plucking a lot, and just overall this unit was a low maintenance wig because I didn't have to do much to it. Only thing that I noticed that when I order hair color from hair companies, like a wig that's a different color other than, you know, black or brown, it is a completely different texture. Not saying that it's like a bad texture, it makes the hair bad, but it is a different texture. So if you are used to ordering natural color wigs, just know that that is something that you have to look out for. Overall, this unit was not a hard unit to maintain. Only thing that I did not like about this unit was the fact that it came in medium brown lace, and being that I get lighter in the winter time, medium brown just doesn't work for me around this time. So that was the only challenge that I really had to pull through with applying this unit. But other than that, you guys, this wig was bomb. It was so cute. I love that I decided to try blonde. I'm definitely gonna try it again. Definitely gotta try it again because y'all I tried to take pictures when I had in this wig and the pictures did not come out cute, and I'm so sad about it because this hair was so bomb and those were the only pictures that I took during this time. So I definitely gotta run it back. Like, I have to get blonde hair again. It was so cute. But yeah, here you guys just see me doing my normal wig cap method. Nothing special. This time I used the Got To Be Freeze spray, and I used the Black Radiance contour powder palette, I think that is called, and that's what I used to make it look like my skin. And that was it for that. As you guys can see, like, when I put on the unit, it was looking crazy. And so I was like, let me try putting some powder on the lace. And it turned the hair orange. So right when I was about to start cleaning that off, my camera died because this was the first video that I filmed with a new camera. So I was like super confused, and the camera died like in the middle of the whole thing. So while the camera died, I went ahead and straightened all the hair, and I wanted to just show you guys what it looked like straight. I normally don't do straight hair just because, I don't know, sometimes it just doesn't frame my face well, but I don't know, I just knew that with this blonde that straight was gonna be a hit. So I straightened the hair and I got it all sleek and stuff. So today I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond glue to lay down this unit. As you guys know, this is the glue I have always used. I've never used another glue, like, other than Got To Be. I've never used another glue. And I think I want to start trying new glues just to see if I like them. I don't know. I just never gave any other glue a chance. So I want to try different glues. So in the comments, if you guys have a favorite wig glue, or what do they call them? Like, it's another name people be using nowadays. What is it? I don't know. But if y'all have like a glue or adhesive or anything like that you guys use and you feel like I'll like it, drop it down below and I'll try it out. And yeah, so I'm just going to be placing this unit right over the glue. This was super easy just because I had already prepared the unit. I had already straightened it and hot combed it exactly where I wanted it to go. So it was super easy. All I had to literally do was place it on my scalp, and I think that's what I'm gonna start doing just because it makes the process so much easier when you go ahead and already style the hair and not have to style it while it's on your head. I know that sounds like crazy, like you would think it would be easier to do it on your head, but it's actually not. It's actually easier to do it beforehand, before placing it down, because it just makes the install so much easier, like so much easier. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this. I'm gonna show you guys how I lay down my baby hairs, of course, but that's nothing special. You guys have saw me do that a lot as well. And so yeah, pretty much from here, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you thumbs up this video, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my Kashia baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on period. And also Do not forget to check my description box for all the links on this hair, and there should be a coupon code in there as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.